अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्विक लंच बनाने जा रहे हैं फॉर एन एक्सपेक्टेड बिजी डे। बस कर्ड करी, कैरेट का तोरन और फिश फ्राई अलोंग विथ राइस। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। मैं एक मड पॉट यूज कर रही हूँ, आप कढ़ाई भी यूज कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन यूज कोकोनट ऑयल और यू कैन यूज सनफ्लावर ऑयल। तो एक मड पॉट गर्म कीजिए, एड 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. जब mustard seeds splutter होंगे, add the curry leaves and 1 onion chop. यहाँ भी मैंने busy day है इसलिए onions, big onions, shallots और tomato और carrots सारा chopper में chop किया हुआ है. Add 2 to 3 green chillies slit as well and saute till they are slightly soft. इतना जल्दी पक जाता है कि पकवान से फारिग होके दूसरे कामों पे कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हैं। अनियंस ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाए तो ऐड 1 tomato chopped or sliced, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Tomatoes को थोड़ा सॉटे कीजिए before adding the haldi and the salt. Saute for around 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup of curd beaten along with 1 glass of water. बस इसे और कुछ नहीं ऐड करना है। मिक्स वेल एंड लेट इट कुक ऑन लो फ्लेम फॉर एटलीस्ट 5 minutes till the yogurt breaks to the top. 5 minutes के बाद लेट्स चेक। कैन यू सी द फैट ऑन टॉप? This means that the curry is ready. Now switch off the flame, cover and let it rest. For the accompaniment, I'm making carrot stir fry. Keep a mud pot or a kadai. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other oil of your choice. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When they splutter, add green chilies and curry leaves. Stir for a few seconds and then add 8 to 10 shallots chopped. When the onions turn light brown, add finely chopped carrots. I'm making this in a mud pot because I love the aroma and the taste of food cooked in a mud pot, but you can always make in a kadai. I have chopped the carrots in the same chopper that I've chopped the big onion and the shallots as well as the tomato. Mix well and add half a teaspoon of salt. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. We will not be adding any water to this. Keep stirring in between. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and add a small bowl of grated coconut. Mix and switch off the flame. The curd curry and the stir fry is ready, but nothing like a piece of fried fish to go along with it. I've got some fish here. This is half a kg of pearl spot or curry mean as we call it. Let's now mix the masala and keep it aside and fry it when it's very close to lunchtime. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 level teaspoon pepper powder. Mix with lime juice or vinegar, add curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix well, apply nicely to the fish and keep it aside. This fish is very tasty, but it has a lot of thorns. You can add curry leaves and oil after you have applied masala to the fish or even before applying. Mix well and keep it aside till it is time to fry. Now let's start frying the fish. I've taken a kadai. I've added coconut oil. You can add refined oil as well. Add piece by piece. Let it cook on one side and then turn over. Keep the flame on medium. Let the fish cook on the other side as well. This will hardly take 5 minutes. Remove to a serving plate. Fry in batches. Now I'm ready for lunch. Take a little rice. Add the moru curd gravy, add stir fry carrots on the sides and a piece of fish, and I'm good to go. A very simple, healthy and nutritious lunch. Do try it out. Ingredients as always in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.